all know how important RV checklists are to keep us safe and to prevent costly mistakes. And you can download free checklists all over the internet, including ours. We have a free PDF and a free Excel spreadsheet that you can download and use for yourself. But what if I told you there's a better way? Our favorite RV checklist is actually these. And these are really inexpensive slap wrist bracelets. Yep, that toy you remember from your childhood, this is what we use as our checklist. After you get all set up, you can throw your checklist, or should I say slap them, right onto your steering wheel. And they'll be there waiting for you when you go to break down. I know what you're thinking. I don't have a steering wheel because I have a fifth wheel or a travel trailer. Don't worry, you don't have to snap them on your steering wheel every time you go to use it. As a matter of fact, many times we don't put it on there at all. We just lay them out, and as we complete a task, we just move it to the side. And when everything is done, we know it's time to go. If you really want to be organized, there are some really cool things you can do. Like you can organize by color. You could have one color for the inside, a different color for the outside, or even by rooms. And another thing you can do is you can number them if you need to do things in a specific order. Whether you're a new RVer or a seasoned RVer, everyone should be using checklists. It doesn't matter what kind you use as long as you find something that works for you.